Hello, it's Ryan Gillard here with Real Broker, your Calgary Realtor. Today it's January the 3rd, 2024, and I'll give you a quick rundown of what's happening with the Calgary real estate market. Now, the big idea for 2023 was strong migration and low supply of homes. That's been driving up the prices in Calgary, and a lot of sales in 2023. Slightly lower than 2022, but we're still well above long-term averages for the city. We're in a very good spot in our real estate market. Now, the big question going forward is what will happen with the lending rates in Calgary and what will happen with the migration levels. You know, there is some softness all over the country due to rising interest rates, but in Calgary, we have such a high level of migration from out of country and from out of province that all these newcomers to Calgary are snatching up all the real estate, regardless of the higher interest rates. So our market is still quite hot at this time, especially in the lower price ranges like the condos, townhouses, entry-level single-family homes. That's a very tough market to get into if you're a buyer right now. So our market is still quite tight in Calgary. And if I was a buyer or a seller, what I'd be looking out for is what's happening with the inventory levels due to like the higher lending rates, higher mortgage payments, and what's happening with the levels of migration coming into Calgary. And next up, I'll just take you briefly through the stats package here so you can visually see what's happening. So in the month of December, we had 1,366 sales, up 13.8% over last year. So not bad. New listings are up. This is a trend I've been noticing that each month it seems like our listings are increasing relative to the previous year. So up 21%. I'm okay with this. I think our market would be better off if it was more balanced. So I'm okay seeing new listings. Total residential price, again, this is the average of detached homes, duplexes, townhouses, and condos. And it's at $570,100, up 10.4% year over year. Single family homes just shy of $700,000, up 12.8%. Duplexes, $627,100, up 12%. Townhouses up 20% to $425,100, and condos again up 19.1% to $321,400. And it's a very tight inventory, like I mentioned earlier. Months of supply 1.58. Again, this means if nobody could list a property for sale in Calgary, it would take 1.5 months to sell everything on the market. That is still a hardcore seller's market. If this gets to like 3, 4, that's more of like a balanced market, I would say. Moving along here, I'll skip over this. Just a regional snapshot of the benchmark prices. And now again, these numbers are the averages again of single-family duplexes, condos, townhouses. City centers at $596,400. Again, this is deceiving because a lot of condos are in the city center, and that's driving the prices down. But single-family homes in this region are quite expensive. On the west end, $671,400. Northwest, 617, North Calgary, 549. North, South, and Southeast are always kind of similar, around the 550-ish mark. And the most affordable parts of Calgary are the east end of it. So east, 411,100, and the northeast at 491,000. You can see here the pricing is up all over the city. 23.6% on the east side of Calgary. So that's the more affordable area, and a lot of buyers are being pushed into more affordable brackets due to interest rates. So this part of the Calgary is booming at the moment. And next up, I'll just give you a quick comparison of December 2022 versus December 2023 to kind of show you what's happening with our market. So last year, there was 1,200 sales versus 1,366 this past December. So our sales are up. New listings are also up, 1,248 versus 1,031 of last year. But our inventory is actually lower right now than it was in the previous December. So 2,164 versus 2,200. So roughly the same. The days on the market has actually dropped. It was 46 days on the market last year, and it's dropped down to 33 days. So our market's moving very quickly. And the last point here to make here, if we look at the benchmark price December of 2022 versus this year, it was $516,200 last year, and that's jumped up to $570,100 this past December. Now, why do I mention this? Is because a lot of buyers are telling me they're going to wait for the interest rates to drop before buying a property. I understand that, but there's no guarantee the rates actually drop. And in the meantime, the prices are going up. And if you look at the current conditions, like real estate is best described by supply and demand. Our current snapshot is very similar to last year, and the prices jumped up, I don't know, like 50 grand or so. So that might very well happen again this year. And you might price yourself out of the market if you're a buyer waiting for the rates to drop. They might even raise the rates. So you don't really know. It's a gamble either way. But if I was a buyer, I would not be waiting for the rates to drop before purchasing a property. I'd get right into the market if you can. And that's just a good quick rundown of the Calgary real estate market as of January the 3rd, 2024. If you have any questions about your specific situation, I'd love to help. Give me a call. Thanks for watching and have a great day.